Hello everybody, welcome back or welcome to my channel. I'm going to do another quick little simple spray paint art tutorial. Got a quarter of a sheet of poster board here. I think they're 22 by 28. Then I cut them in quarters, so all in all for this picture I'm using half a piece of poster board. Cut out this cactus stencil. So we're going to make a nice red desert sky. Throw this down first. I'm going to do a spot of yellow. Just kind of want a sun there. So do yellow right there, and you'll move on to some. Actually, no, I'm just gonna do yellow right across the board. This way it looks like the sunset past the horizon. I think that'll look nicer. And go with some orange. We'll just go red on top of that. Do a little more this yellow. Brighten up the bottom a little. And after the red, we'll have to let it dry before we do any stencil work on top of that. And I'm just going to do black for the stencil. Clear coat over the top. A little signature. And there you have it. Simple, easy spray paint art. Anybody can do that at home. Just need a whole 4 colors and some clear coat. So we're going to let that dry. We'll come back, throw the stencil down after it's completely dry so we don't get anything sticking together and peeling apart. It can be a real mess. So let it completely dry and then do your stencil. Okay, we're back. Our painting is dried to the touch. So I got my cactus stencil I'm throwing down. Take all these nuts that I got just for weights to hold it down so I don't get any black mist or underspray going underneath the stencil. Gives nice crisp clean lines when you do it this way. Hard part is balancing these little guys on here. Almost there. I'm going to use just this little palette knife to hold that guy down when I spray the black. So I'll start there. Alright, so now we gotta pull all these off. Make sure I don't tip any of them over while I'm doing it. I like to get the ones that are standing on edge first. A lot less chance of me knocking these over into the paint than the ones that were standing on edge. I'm actually thinking of letting this dry a little bit before I pull the stencil off, so I don't drag it right through all the wet paint. So yeah, I'm going to let this dry for a few minutes, then come back, we'll peel it off, see if that technique works better, because I haven't had the best of luck lately. I've been running these stencils right through all the wet paint, so I'll let it dry and come back in like 5-10 minutes. Alright, we're going to see if I got better luck taking this off with it dried up a little bit. There we go, sticking. Yeah, not horrible. We'll take it. Got a few touch-ups to do. Kind of bled over it here. I'm just going to take my paint marker and fill in a little bit where it bled underneath it. Yeah, we'll go with that. Nothing's perfect. So, take a clear coat. Got a nice gloss finish to it. Got gloss clear coat. Hosing it down with that. Sealing it, making it shine. Now when it's wet with the clear coat, got a little scratch tool. If anybody wants to do this at home, you don't need one of these. You can use a nail, a screwdriver. I used to use the corner of a flathead screwdriver before I acquired this. I don't even know what this is, if it's for crochet or whatnot. It's some kind of metallic needle. It's got a point on either side. That's what I use to scratch in my signature with. So, here we go. There's another simple little 4-color landscape. Clear coat on top. Gives it that nice shine to it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope to see you guys next week. Hit that subscribe button. Leave some comments down below. We'll see you later.